What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as I mentioned in my intro, I was going to be doing a video based on my routine, based on how I mix macros with technicals. Now, I took a position on the trading floor live yesterday on pound yen shorts from around 157.50. Now, I thought it would be a perfect example to actually jump on here and share my thought process behind this. Right, looking at this on the weekly, we obviously had the straight rally straight through 157.50. Now, my first little point of view on this was the fact that we've had one, two, possibly a third drive into this high, giving us that 3-pin pattern. So what I done was I drew my fib from the high to the low. And essentially, this whole trading week, you need to be looking for the highest place to possibly sell pound yen to be trading lower. Now, in terms of macros, we have an unwinding in the markets on the pound based on all this negativity around a possible plan B for COVID. Now, markets were pricing in the back end of last week 2 hikes for the BOE. However, that's slowly been unwound, right? The economy isn't in a position where we can be raising rates twice in 2 months' time. So essentially understanding that pound is going to be on the back foot, understanding that risk could potentially be off due to the risks in China, due to COVID coming back into play, right? So essentially on the hourly, what I did as well, I had a nice little counter trend line. Let's go back to the 4-hour. Nice little counter trend line. On this, we had a nice little breakout retest on this as well, right? So first confluence being 157.50, second confluence being that weekly reversal straight out of the high, third confluence being that little fib rejection, fourth, counter trend line retest, fifth, we obviously have unwinding from the Bank of England, and you have your sixth confluence could be the fact that risk is now off. All yen pairs essentially are now pricing that in, but when am I looking to ride this to? More than likely, this fib target at 155.30. So I've actually rolled my stops in this position, which I'm happy to show everyone. So I've rolled my stops in the position right now, still floating up on this, but I'm looking for 155 over the next few days. Now, main reason why I trade like this is to give myself that slight bit of extra edge in the markets. I want to have something called relative value, where you're essentially matching strong versus weak, right? If I understand that the pound is going to be on the back foot, there's no need to be buying it, right? There's no need to be buying it at all. So a nice little risk reward on the high, selling out of 157.50. So hopefully that then follows through. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to be doing more of these while I enter trades live on the floor. So do stay tuned, and I'll catch you on the next video.